Patansunan po ka na po sa fratello. Ito talaga itong simpanakete. Tutto, sembrate. Tapi para tutto rapato, tutto. E pocon, se tatto rapato con un posto che si dovrà far grato.
What's this? The red plumber isn't so powerful? I thought you wanted to be this wonderful hero. Now I must do my duty and feed you your own organs, because it looks to me you need a reboot and things are out of place.
What are these?
Backrooms items. We have to try these.
The hell is cash, you water?
Oh, wait a minute. You do not want to drink some of these.
Actually, you guys better, because I broke my ass twice during this adventure. The side effects for cashew water do not work in the real world. However, something like liquid pain will.
And you want us to drink these? So how many of these are there?
Plenty, but do not touch the liquid pain.
Aye, that's actually some good shit, not gonna lie. We could have these for the party.
I am terribly sorry, Roger.
Tutto armatato.
They put a tracking device on me years ago. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching. Whip it out.
I know where that is. Good luck, Herbert. Seriously.
Patansunan po ka na po sa fratello.
They're dead, Mario. All of them.
Ito talaga itong simpanakete.
Mario, why did you exactly come back to save me?
Pocon, se tatto rapato con un posto che si dovrà far grato. Va bene, tutto corrimento e basta da prosciutto, da giuro.
But now, you'll die here with me.
Tapi para tutto rapato, tutto.
Say goodnight, you rusty robot.
Rusty? You can't be one to talk.
Ouch!
The years have not been so kind to you. Your body fumes bad luck.
I hope this hurts you. Oh, that's not good.
Just because I am evil doesn't mean I wasn't lying. I've earned my right to talk. I don't think you have. Now swallow.
We're all glad to be here.
I'm not. Dude, I had to get out of bed for this shit.
Someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Yeah, I sure fucking did. Anyone got beer?
You never drank beer.
This is about a furry. And I hate furries.
We have almond water and cashew water.
What the fuck is that? What the hell is almond and cashew water? I'm gonna drink soap.
Then do it, asshole.
Fuck you.
Are you guys coming in or not?
Ew, you are gay as fuck.
Aren't you gay?
Not for you, bitch.
Where the hell have you guys been? And why is Boris here?
What's this about? I hate that universe. Count me in.
Nah, sorry, see at 2 a.m. I got my crab anniversary where I take 2 shits every 2 minutes. What the
That's
fuck?
fucking disgusting.
You would understand if you tried it.
Life always has to be unfair, especially to someone like me. No one was able to save me. You send people to get killed by me to protect your sorry ass. Both of you are not trophies or gold to keep protected from thieves. Why do you both get to run off free? Pain-free.
Patatsunan po ka na po fratello.
I was... forget it. I will rip your heads off, but first I will torture you both ever so slowly, so we're equal.
You leave them alone. I knew we'd bump into this issue, so I prepared with the one-up.
What a waste. You'll die again. You're not me. You're no immortal.
At least I can die when I wake.
And now I turn my attention to you two. We all will.
Hello, Tails. I wasn't sure what to get.
Oh, that's fine.
My brothers couldn't make it either. There's almond water and cashew water. I don't know if we're doing something.
It's quite good.
Let's go to the gaming room. Anyone dare me to chug a whole can? Yes.
I am sold. I can't remember.
That won't find us here. I had my issues with Roger Eric. We fought during my capture. He won, of course. But I realized I could hide if we hide behind the stuff that doesn't capture his 5D vision.
Patatsunan po ka na po fratello. Kurututo sa brayete.
Is anyone else coming?
Pokon, nasitat ko tora patakon na po, to kaya sa dora pa krato. Padena, so tot kurimete bata na parsuta da iguro. Ito talaga ko tora ata ton simpadakete. Kurututo sa brayete.
No, I'll go with.
Patutulsan na matato.
Oh, look, it's the green one.
Is this everyone?
You're now trapped in here with us. It's the Great Purge.
Well, shit, my portals don't work.
O pares ka ng barangay ko na ba naman ngayon turo na maturo na madalas ko na patapang ko kayo. O tono tunita na tunna na sana tunang kanarang na sa natin na narapetan ni Tiniti. Patatsunan po ka na po sa fratello. kau tu simpel lagi tu.